Your Ninja Speedi comes with a multi-functional crisper tray that can be placed in 2 positions: the elevated position and the bottom position, unlocking the capability to cook your food to perfection. Before placing the crisper tray in the elevated position, make sure to add any ingredients needed at the bottom of the pot. The elevated position unlocks multi-level cooking and is designed to be used for recipes that require the speedy meals and air broil functions. To set up the crisper tray in the elevated position, first rotate the tray's legs outwards so that they extend past the 4 corners of the tray. The legs should sit on the ledges at the base of each groove, allowing the tray to remain elevated in the pot. Placing the crisper in the bottom position should be used while cooking with the air fry, dehydrate, bake roast, steam and crisp, steam and bake, and proof functions. To set up the crisper tray in the bottom position, rotate the tray's legs inward so that they are turned against the underside of the tray. This will allow the crisper tray to rest at the bottom of the pot. Removal of the crisper tray is done in 2 easy steps. First, transfer your protein to a cutting board. Next, use your silicone tip tongs to grab the center handle of the crisper tray and remove the tray from the unit. If you're looking for more information on the Ninja Speedi, visit us at ninjakitchen.com. And for recipe inspiration, visit us at ninjatestkitchen.com.